Hello everyone, welcome again to this YouTube channel. So this is the third part of the series that I have started. So the series is that we are using Java Stream API with the automation real-time use cases. Okay, so this is the third example, and in this example we are navigating to this demo website, and then we are clicking on one drop down, and then we are fetching the option of the drop down. Okay, for more clarity, let me go to the demo website and let me show you the real case that we are going to automate using Java Stream API. Okay, let me go to the demo site. So the use case is, first of all, I have to navigate on this demo website, and then I'll be clicking on this customer login, and after that this drop down will be here, and I need to fetch all the drop down options here, and then I need to check if they are sorted or not in alphabetical order. I need to assert that. Okay, so this is the use case. So let me go back to the code. So as you can see that I have already written the prerequisite code, so to save our time. So you can clearly see, first of all, I am navigating to this website, and then I am clicking on the customer login button, and after that I am fetching the drop down that I have just shown you in the demo site, and from there I am fetching all the options of that particular drop down. So now we can use a Java Stream API here, and all options dot stream dot map function, and in which web element get text, because I want to get the text of the each element present in the list. Then I want it as a list to list. Okay, so let me tell you the reason behind using each and every thing. Okay, let me just write this thing here. Let's name it as a value. Okay, so now, so if you can see here, we have the list of all the web elements, all the drop down options, you can say. Okay, so now here I am using Java Stream. Okay, then I am using map function. So you have to use map function whenever you want to perform some action within the list. Okay, so I want to perform some function within some action within the list. You can say I want to get text of each list element. Okay, here I am getting the text of each element within the list, and after that I am simply collecting it as a list. So you can clearly see that all this is returning me the list of string in which we have all the values of drop down options. Okay, so now let me just print it. Okay, so now, as I said in the starting, we want the sorted list, right? So what I can do, I can simply copy this one. Let me simply copy this. Let me sort this. Okay, map.action dot sorted, and then simply collect as list. Sorted values. Okay, so in the first case, so we are getting the values or get text of all the drop down options in a simple manner. Okay, but in the second line, you can see here we have sorted all the values. Okay, this is the actual sorting. You can't say here the values are all our values are sorted. Here the values are as they are displaying on the screen. Okay, but here, because we have sorted it, so in this list we'll get it on the in the sorting order. So we can simply print it. Okay, let me simply print it sorted value. Okay, okay, let's try to run it and let's see what's happening. Okay, so it should print the values. Here it navigated to the demo website. It should click on the customer login because I have added some wait, so it's waiting for some time. So here you can see the drop down, and let's go back and let's go to console if what has printed, and you can clearly see this is the default order of the list, and this is it is sorted by the alphabetical order. You can clearly see here. So now let's simply compare both lists. Okay, uh, that we can simply do using assert method, and here we can simply put values. Okay, so now this test case should be failed because sorted values and the default values are not matched. So let's see. Okay, it navigated here. You can see it should click on customer login and it fetch all the options, and you can clearly see here that it got failed. Let's go to console. So see, you can clearly see here because the list is not matched, the elements are not, both lists are not matched, that's why it got failed. Okay, so this is all from this video. I hope you have learned the new function map that we have used here, and we are collecting it as a list. These are the two new things we have learned in the Java Stream API with the real-time use case. That will be easy to remember in my opinion. That's why I have started this series. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to channel. Until then, take care. Bye. Thank you.